What is up, you guys? Welcome back to today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a few things that I had picked up from HomeGoods. I did a little bit of shopping today and I just thought I might as well share with you what I had picked up. A couple things I had picked up was some stockings because we really needed some new ones. I have some now, but they're kind of just janky and old and I don't know. So I just thought I might as well pick up some new ones. So these here came in a 2-pack. And they're like this black and white checkered look, and one has a little Christmas tree with bells on it, and then the other one has just like the little fringe on the front, and this was only $12.99 for the two of them, which I thought was a really good deal. I picked up for our dogs. We have 2 dogs, so I got one in each color. So this one is just a red and white stripe with this fuzz on the top. And then same thing here, but this one was green and had a little paw on the front with the fuzz on the top. So I thought those were super cute. Those were only like $8 a piece. So here was just this cooking pan, only $8. I feel like their cookware is so affordable. I just really like their items that they have. For cookware, I feel like it's just so cheap. Like this pan I picked up here was only $8. And it's a really good size, and I really like the texture on it. Also $8. This one was a $7.99 as well. Like I said before, good size. And I just feel like those are so cheap for pans. Next up is just a couple towels that I thought were really cute for Christmas. This was $6.99 for the 2. And the front one here just says Joy on the front of it. And then this one has a plain red but with like some stripes on it. Little sign here I thought was super cute. It has stripes on all the way around of the wooden block, whatever you want to call it. It has stripes on the outside of Christmas colors, and then it has a sparkly word saying on the front, just says it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And it's just so cute. This is a tree skirt that I picked up and I'm so obsessed with it. It is like this fringe on the outside and it's black and white, which is super cute. I have some other stuff that goes with this tree skirt in my house, so this just looks really cute. This was $24.99, which honestly isn't terrible for this. I feel like it's a decent price as well. And then next up was this Christmas pillow. And their pillows are always usually like $25, $30. So yeah, this one's $24.99. I really like this one. What I picked up here just says "Oh dear," and it's in black and white, and then the deer itself is actually in Christmas colors, which is so cute. This one's really one of my favorite type of pillows. This one is like that feathery pillow, so like when you touch it, you just know, like it's just one of those like expensive pillows, like one of those nice HomeGoods TJ Maxx. Like if you guys shop, you guys know what I mean. What I picked up here is just this Christmas like type of ribbon slash fabric. What I thought to do with this was just make a couple bows out of it and place them throughout the house. So I thought about putting them on my staircase on the railing and do a couple there. So I thought that'd be super cute. And it was actually a good deal because it comes with a lot. Like you guys can't really tell on camera, but it has a lot on here. And it was $10, which I feel like is kind of expensive, but yet again, like such a good price too. So I don't know. It's all these on a shelf. And I was just like, well, I guess I'm getting cups today. So it's kind of like a dog theme. It's by Ray Dunn. And the first one says Feliz Navidad, and the second one says Happy Holidays. And I just love these so much. Alright guys, so here I'm actually making a homemade chicken Alfredo meal, and it was so good. It was so rich, so creamy. I found a recipe on Pinterest that I wanted to try, so I went for it, and it just really turned out so yummy, and my boyfriend actually really liked it. If you guys are interested in seeing the recipe, I will leave it down in the description box, so don't forget to check there if you guys are interested in making it. But definitely stay tuned to see the after, what it looked like. Oh my gosh, it was so good. Alright guys, so that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoy this Christmas haul slash decorating slash cooking. I'm doing it all. So if you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.